Good morning, Child Development B. I am so excited to have you this semester. I am hoping to see some familiar faces from Child Development A. I'm April Heft, and I'm your instructor for this 100% online asynchronous course this semester. This is just a little welcome video to say hi so you can see my face. Um, Not always looking so great first thing in the morning. I'm a night person, not a morning person. That's a fun little fact to know about me. For those of you that are just coming into Reach, I am really excited to meet you. Please know just because this is an asynchronous course, and that means that we don't have any live Zoom sessions, that you do not have the ability to reach out and email me, or if you ever want to set up a one-on-one Zoom, I would love that too. So again, I just want to say I know you're getting access to your Canvas course shells today to familiarize yourself with just the tabs on the left. That will really help you looking at modules, announcements, how to access your syllabus, etc. And here's to a great fall semester.